All right, continuing on with subtracting integers. So yesterday we talked about how to use the chip model. Today I'm going to show you how to do it without having to use that chip model. So we're going to use something called keep, change, change. So with keep, change, change, we keep the first number the same. We change the subtraction to addition. Because remember, we learned how to do addition last week. And we change the second number to its opposite. So if you remember from last week too, we said that opposites were, so if I gave you a positive number, the opposite would be a negative number. If I gave you a negative number, the opposite would be a positive number. So we're going to try this out. So we're going to keep, change, change. Okay. So I did put a number line down here to help you guys when you guys are doing your adding if you need help. Okay, I put it there just if you want it. So we're going to look at number 1 here. Number 1 says -4 minus 6. So we're going to use what's up here, the keep, change, change. So we're going to keep the -4 the same. So we're going to say -4. They already changed it to addition for us. And we're going to change this +6 to a -6. So now our question is -4 plus -6. So if I use my number line, our first number is -4, and then we're taking away 6 more. So that means we're going to go to the left 6 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my answer is -10. You can make the text box bigger if you need to. All right, so let's try this again with the next one and see how it works out for us. It's a lot easier, right? So this one, we have 5 minus -2. So we're going to keep the same number, keep the first number, change it to addition, which it already did for us, and change our -2 to its opposite, which is +2. Okay, and this one I don't think we need the number line for. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, these problems aren't so scary. All right, ready? We're going to keep the first number the same. So we're going to keep -3, change subtraction to addition, and change -1 to its opposite. So the opposite of -1 is +1. So now we have -3 plus 1. So we're going to start at -3, and we're adding 1 positive. So positive means we go to the right 1 space. So our answer ends up as -2. Okay, -2. So now we're going to try these ones. We have to type the whole thing now. All right, so we have 7 minus 12. So we're going to keep 7. We're going to change subtraction to addition. We're going to change +12 to -12. And we're going to get our answer. So we have 7 plus -12. So if we start at 7, and then we add -12, which means we have to go to the left 12 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And our answer is -5. So our answer is -5. So 7 plus -12 is -5. All right, here we go. Keep our first number the same, so keep -9. Change subtraction to addition, and change -9 to +9. Right, so we have -9 and we have +9, and negative plus positive of the same number is equal to 0. Okay. All right, our last one on this side together. It says -8, so we're going to keep -8, change subtraction to addition, and change our +7 to a -7. And the only reason I put these numbers in parentheses, like the 7, oh, I put 1. I should have put 7. Sorry, guys. Is so that we know that it's a negative number and we're not saying plus minus 7, because that wouldn't make sense if we said -8 plus -7. But it makes sense if we say -8 plus -7. Okay, so if you remember, we're going to take -8 and we're going to add -7 more to it. So 7 plus 8 is 15, and they're both negative, so it's going to be negative 15. Again, you can make the text box a little bit bigger if you need to. All right, if you're feeling comfortable with this, then what I want you to do is I want you to pause this video, and I want you to try the your turn side, and then I want you to check back and check if you got the correct answers. If you're still not feeling comfortable and you want me to do them with you, then by all means keep going on this video and I will keep doing them with you. Okay? So if we look at number 7, we're going to keep the first number. So keep negative 7. It already changed it to addition. And we're going to change positive 10 to be negative 10. So now we have negative 7. Negative 7 plus negative 10. So negative 7 plus negative 10, when we add those together, we get negative 17. Okay. All right, the next one, we're going to keep negative 2, change to addition, which it already did, and we're going to change negative 2 to positive 2. So now we have negative 2 plus positive 2, which is 0. All right, number 9, we're going to keep negative 5, change to addition, change negative 3 to positive 3. So negative 5 plus 3 gives us negative 2 is our answer. All right, we're almost done here. Number 10, we're going to keep 8, change to addition, and change our negative 2 to a positive 2. And 8 plus 2 is, that one's easy, it's 10. Good job. All right, this next one, we have 4 minus 1. We don't even need to change this one, really, do we? We already know the answer. But we're going to change it anyway, so keep, change to addition, change to negative 1, and our answer is 3. Okay? But you could have just done 4 minus 1 on that one too and got the same answer. All right, the last one here. We're going to keep negative 4, change to addition, and change positive 9 to a negative 9. All right, so negative 4 minus 9 is going to give us negative 13 as our answer. All right, good job, guys. Now you guys are able to go do your assignment for today. You guys did fantastic.